Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to thicken row and column in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel sheet and you can see here I have a data. Normally if you want to apply the border on the table, you just select the data and go to the home tab in font group and click on this borders option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the all border option to apply the border. But this border is not showing the thicken. So if you want to increase the thickness, so just select again. Okay. Again, go to the borders option and click on here. Just drag below. Click on here more borders option. Just click on this. And here the format cells dialog box is open. Just click on this fourth option. The borders tab is automatically open. But if you not open, then click on this borders tab. Then in borders tabs, there is a line option. Okay, you can see there are different types of line available. And selected line showing here the selection. So this line is now available in my table. So I select here the thicken border. See, I select this one. After that, you can see the preview here, the borders preview. When you click the outline, see the border is apply on outline. When you click on the inside, the border is apply inside. After that, just click on OK and see the border is increased thicker. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.